Welcome to the channel. Let's create drop shadow in a much better way. There are many ways to open up the layer style panel. Double-click on the layer. The layer style panel will open up. Or go to FX and blending options open the panel. Or just right-click and choose blending options. Now click on the drop shadow option at the bottom. The drop shadow is added to the layer you choose. You can drag the shadow like this, or you can control the blend mode, opacity, angle, distance, spread, and size also. If you check on the Use Global Light, all the applied shadow will follow the same angle. Let's choose Text Layer now and apply the shadow. Go to FX and choose Drop Shadow. Again, the same layer style panel open up and adjust the shadow again. If you want one more shadow, just click on the plus icon next to drop shadow, and it will add a new shadow. I think the distance now looks good to me. Decrease spread, also the size and opacity. Now your drop shadow is ready. Please check out my other Photoshop amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.